The Logitech MX Mini mechanical keyboard is a standout in the compact keyboard market, offering a seamless blend of functionality, style, and reliability. For those stepping into the world of mechanical keyboards or seasoned enthusiasts seeking a streamlined option, this keyboard brings a lot to the table. What immediately sets the MX Mini apart is its minimalist design. The compact layout eliminates the numpad, making it perfect for those looking to save desk space or maintain a clean, clutter-free setup. Despite the smaller footprint, the keyboard doesn't compromise on usability, providing an intuitive key arrangement that ensures typing remains comfortable and efficient. Logitech has equipped the MX Mini with mechanical switches that deliver a satisfying tactile experience. While it doesn't offer the customizable switch options found in more niche mechanical keyboards, the pre-installed switches strike a great balance between responsiveness and quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for both work and play. The backlighting is subtle yet effective, eschewing the often garish RGB effects for a more professional white glow. This not only enhances visibility in low-light environments, but also maintains an understated aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any workspace. Connectivity is another area where the MX Mini shines. While Bluetooth remains an option, Logitech's 2.4 GHz dongle provides a faster and more reliable connection. This low-latency wireless technology is ideal for high-stakes tasks, whether you're deep in a work project or gaming during downtime. Pairing is effortless, and the keyboard's ability to switch between multiple devices adds to its versatility. Battery life is robust, lasting weeks on a single charge depending on backlight usage. This means less downtime and fewer interruptions, which is crucial for anyone with a busy schedule. Logitech also supports the keyboard with their excellent software, allowing for easy customization of key functions and macros, further enhancing productivity. While the $125 price tag might give some pause, the MX Mini justifies its cost with its premium build quality, reliable performance, and thoughtful features. It does, however, lack hot swappable switches, which might be a drawback for enthusiasts looking to tweak their setup. Additionally, the absence of dedicated media keys may be a minor inconvenience for some users. Overall, the Logitech MX Mini mechanical keyboard is a well-rounded device that checks nearly all the boxes for a modern, compact keyboard. Its combination of sleek design, responsive keys, and reliable wireless performance makes it an excellent investment for anyone seeking to upgrade their typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.